Hello, Mami Vivian. Happy birthday. Sana magustuhan mo itong surprise ko para sa'yo. God bless you always. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, love you. Miss you so much. Ivy, happy birthday.
Julos, gusto mo bumati ko dito?
Oo nga. Nasaan na ba siya? Ay, ano yan? Ibibidyo mo na siya?
Di ba parating sa
Sige. Happy birthday, Biang. Okay mga dakkel.
ano yun? Parang dakkel. Ano ba to? Birthday ni Vivian?
Birthday ba nga?
Birthday ni Vivian?
Agpa, kuha ka. Agpa, uga ka na. Umay ka dito. Ag-inom tayo. One.
One! Hindi, dahil sa birthday mo, Vivian, may papaalala ako sa'yo. Ito kasi ito yung paboritong pwesto ni Vivian dito sa BA. Yan, alam na ni Vivian ang mga nangyayari dyan. Magdamag hanggang 4 o'clock, minsan hanggang 5, nandiyan pa siya. Happy birthday, Vivian. Kung ano may iniisip mo, gawin mo na lang. Huwag ka lang kung ano-ano pa ginagawa. Hindi kung ano-ano pa, ha? Ito si Camilo.
Hello, Beb. Happy birthday. I wish you more good health and more birthdays to come. Just be strong and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Vivian. Happy birthday. Sir Jay.
Saan? Ha? Hotdog. Happy birthday.
Ayun. Magkita tayo. Bye-bye. Love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Vivian. Yan, babatiin kita. Batiin ko isang matatag na ilaw ng tahanan. Nadadagdagan ang iyong edad habang tumatanda, gumaganda. Diba? Mana sa akin. Happy birthday. May God bless you always. Lagi lang maging matatag. Mag-iingat lagi. God bless you. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hello, Mami V. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And good health always. Lalo na po si Kuya Daniel. Happy birthday po. Thank you po sa pag-adapt mo sa Poging Are. Happy birthday, Mami B. God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy blessed birthday, Madam Vivian. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng Joshua. At sa lahat ng warriors. Hawak mo at sa lahat ng sinishare mo ng blessing. Maraming salamat sa palaging pag-alala kay Joshua. Enjoy your day. O, di ba masaya talaga siya. At saka enjoy your day. And God bless you more and more. We love you.
Tapos, ano pa? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Vivian. Thank you sa love and support mo sa mga baby warriors. Pati kay Deb, hindi mo siya nakakalimutan na kahit may warrior ka rin, andyan ka para mag-share ng blessings at support sa mga baby warriors. Enjoy ka lang palagi. And more birthdays to come. More gala rin kasi alam ko yan ang gusto mo. Enjoy your day, te. Love you. Hello, Mami B. Happy birthday. Good luck sa'yo sa lahat. And God bless. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Ate V! Love you!
Celebrate with your love. God bless and more birthday to come. Love, Jayla. Happy birthday, Mami Vivian. Ayan. Ayan, enjoy mo lang yung araw mo ngayon. Ayan, thank you so much sa love mo sa mga warriors ng tulad ng Tepi. God bless you. Stay Dragonesa as you are with heart. Thank you so much. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Sabay ka doon?
Hello, Mami Vivian! Happy birthday po! More birthday to come po. Love ka po namin ni Aaron, ni Thea at ni Dania. Love you so much. Enjoy your day. Dragonesang Haponesang Lukaret ka. Joke!
Babe. Happy birthday, Tita Babe.
Hi, doing Tita B?
Yeah, I miss you, Tita Babe.
Tita B?
I miss you, Tita Babe.
Since I work and then to the house, Tita B.
Yeah, I love you, Tita Babe.
Hey, what are you doing, Mama?
Say happy birthday, Tita Babe.
Happy birthday, guys! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Tita Babe. I love you, Tita Babe.
I'm going hang out.
Say I love you, Tita Babe.
I
Flying kiss.
Tita B.
Oh, flying kiss, Tita B.
Mwah. Mwah. Okay.
Hi, Mommy B. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Always in good health. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Vivian! Ang Dragonessa ng Wonder Moms of Kumu! Maraming salamat sa love mo sa amin at sa mga anak namin. More blessings to come
Happy
and love.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate B. Thank you so much sa love and support. Charis. Love and support mo sa amin ni Ate Keisha. Yan. I wish you all the best in life. More blessings to come. And may your heart filled with joy and love on your day, and I hope all your heart's desire be blessed. Thank you so much, and we love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy V! Ayan, ang Wonder Woman ng DJ Ocean Love and Tribe Tabang. Happy birthday! Thank you so much at bumalik ka or nag-reach out ka. Ano pa ba? At kita-kita tayo sa pagbalik. Oo. More kumars! More kumars to life. Happy birthday! We love you. And please stay kind even in pain. O kahit na inubas ka ng masaktan, mag-bless ka pa rin ng mga tao. And salute to you, Daniel and friends, of course. Huwag ka magbabago and may all your dreams come true. Love, fresh from Singapore.
Hello, Mommy Bibs, Ma'am Shi Vivian. Happy birthday! Sinamantala ko na habang may kilay pa ako na mag-greet sa'yo. Pero, ang totoo niyan, gusto kitang pasalamatan bukod sa mag-greet ng happy birthday. Hindi ko to palaging nasasabi sa'yo, pero sasabihin ko sa'yo ngayon na super proud po ako sa'yo. At, paano ko ba sasabihin yun? Basta, I admire you. Sobrang proud ako sa'yo dahil hindi ka nagsasawa, lipad ka ng lipad. Kahit saan, makakarating ka para kung alam mong may makakatulong doon para sa mga bata, pupuntahan mo talaga sila. At ang pinakamaganda sa'yo, lagi mong tinutulungan yung mga maliliit na mga organization tulad nga ng KMBK. Alam mo na wala kaming sponsor, kaya lagi kang nandyan sa bawat event namin. Hindi maaaring hindi ka magtatanong kung ano yung maitutulong mo. Hindi maaaring hindi ka magtatanong, sino ba may kailangan ng tramadol? Sino bang may kailangan ng ganito? Meron po ako ditong ganyan. Meron po akong ganito. Magdadala po ako. Super proud ako at nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo ng marami sapagkat hindi ka nagsasawa sa pagtulong at hindi ka napapagod. Kahit alam ko may mga pinagdadaanan ka rin, sa isa-isang tabi natin yung mga pinagdadaanan natin para sa mga bata. Pagpatuloy mo lang at itong birthday mo, wish ko sa'yo good health at more faith pa. Mas mataas na pananampalataya at sana tulad ni Sis Barbie, alam ko may mga panata ka rin para sa mga warriors. Yan, huwag nating kakalimutan, wala man tayong gaanong maitutulong sa pinansyal, pero yung hirap mo, nakikita ko yan. Salamat, Mami Vivian. Mahal ka namin. Happy birthday.